Let's talk about the latest launched Xiaomi smartphone Redmi 13C with sleek and stylish design. Now let's talk about the specification of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.74-inch HD plus dot-drop display. Resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels, 20:9 aspect ratio, approximately 83.7% screen-to-body ratio, 600 nits brightness, approximately 260 ppi pixel density, 90 Hz refresh rate, and with Corning Gorilla Glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel main camera, along with 2 megapixel macro camera, and 0.08 megapixel depth camera. For selfies it has 8 megapixel front camera, video recording 1080p, 720p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 13 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of MIUI 14. Screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2 GHz dual-core Cortex A75 plus 1.8 GHz hexa-core Cortex A55, powered by MediaTek Helio G85 chipset, paired with Mali G52MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 4, 6, 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and 128, 256 GB of eMMC 5.1 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB. Dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 168 by 78 by 8.1 mm, and it weighs around 192 grams, and the color options midnight black, navy blue, glacier white, clover green colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 18-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with AI Face Unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, 3.5 mm headphone jack, USB Type-C charging port, and NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Xiaomi Redmi 13C has been expected priced in Pakistan for 4 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 31,999 Pakistani rupees, while the 6 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 36,999 Pakistani rupees, while the 8 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 41,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion. So what do you guys think of this Xiaomi Redmi 13C smartphone? Let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.